When I was in my first year university, I really thought that medical school was the right choice because that's what smart people did that were in sciences, and I didn't really have any other ideas of what I wanted to do. And so the summer of my first year of university, I found this poster for the International Genetically Engineered Machines competition, and I was just absolutely hooked and realized that synthetic biology and this bioengineering thing was what I absolutely loved doing, and I continued to be involved in the iGEM team for the rest of my undergrad. In 2012, we had this really interesting project for iGEM from the University of Calgary's team where we were trying to detect contaminants in water. We ended up doing really well at the competition. We won a whole bunch of different awards. We're one of the top teams in the world. And afterwards thought, hey, what's the next thing that we could do with this? And a startup company just seemed to be the logical step as a group of naive undergraduate students. So at FredSense, what we do is we create portable units for doing water chemistry analysis in the field. So today, if you want to measure how much arsenic or lead or chromium is in a water sample, you generally send it off to an analytical lab that takes several days to weeks to get the data back, and then you can make a decision. And so at FredSense, we genetically modify bacteria to get them to detect these specific contaminants. And so we make little cartridges that a user puts a water sample into, plugs it into our device, and then they're able to get data in the field in about an hour about how much arsenic or lead is in their water sample. Well, it's a tremendous honor to be recognized as an Arch Award recipient. I think the university has so many tremendous graduates that go on to do so many wonderful things, so it just feels really special to be recognized with this award. And this really is the dream for me right now. I love speaking, I love presenting, but I also love actually, working on the science, and I love kind of doing the real things. And I really have a passion for actually being part of the innovation itself.